Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a La Marzocco 1 group. This is a Linea, and it's the AV version, the volumetric. The customer brought it in because they had purchased it at an estate auction from kink.com. Was unsure of the condition, just wanted us to get it to work. And it actually didn't need a whole lot, just a tune-up, replacing the brew group gasket in here, as well as the screen. We did a lot of back flushing as well to clear out the system. And we also couldn't get a good seal with the portafilter up here. It was leaking around, so we had to replace the portafilter as well as the bayonet ring in order to get a tight fit. And here it is, and it's working, shines up new, and great. So let's test it. Looking good and super quiet. I think the shot pour is just a little fast, but this machine is a little more powerful than the ones we typically use here, so our grind is just not quite as fine for this nice machine. Let's do some steam. You can see how powerful the pressure is on a commercial machine like this. Amazing. All right, there you are. La Marzocco Linea single group working and ready for their customer. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.